The Canon EOS Rebel T6's photo and video quality are definitely better than those of a point-and-shoot. The bad its feature set is beyond minimal and it's slow for a family camera. The bottom line, the Canon EOS Rebel T6, aka the EOS 1300D, hits the basics for a low price, but that's about it. Why are you considering a cheap DSLR? Think it through before forking over the money for the Canon EOS Rebel T6, aka the EOS 1300D. At $500 for the kit with an 18-55mm lens, 385 pounds, $650, it's really inexpensive for a model with a press release dated 2016. But newer is not always better. Much of the camera is based on a higher-end model from 2013 that's still available, the EOS Rebel T5i, EOS 700D, but with features stripped out and Wi-Fi added. And that model was only a minor update over its predecessor from 2012, the T4i, EOS 650D. Like most basic DSLRs in its class, the T6 is basically a point-and-shoot with a big sensor for better photo quality, though one of the attractions of a DSLR is the ability to swap lenses. Most people stick with the one that comes with the kit. The photos look like they were shot with a DSLR or mirrorless camera with the same size sensor, so they're definitely a step up from a phone or point-and-shoot. And they're about as good as its direct competitors, like the Nikon D3300 and the Pentax KS2. But its photo and video quality aren't nearly as good as the Sony A6000s, either.